Hey friends, if you encounter the error code Windows Firewall Error Code 0x6D9, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to scan for malware on your computer. And how would you do that? So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and use the MRT tool, not the Windows Defender tool, because you will be switching it off. And then click on next, select full scan, and then click on next and let it run through. The next one is to disable any third-party antivirus on your system, because these antivirus programs are redundant in this era when Windows Defender is more than sufficient. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps in the right pane. Wait for the list to load, find any third-party antivirus application and uninstall it. And the last solution is to restart Windows Firewall service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows Firewall service. Okay, I will show you how to do that. Wait. Yes, Windows Defender Firewall. Right click on it and select restart if you can. Most probably it will be grayed out, which means that you cannot do anything about it. And lastly, update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.